Hey everyone, it's Lee, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your WhatsApp profile picture. It's quick and easy, so let's get started. The first thing we want to do is actually open up WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device. You'll see the current profile picture in the top left hand corner of your screen. You can also see it in your chat messages. To change your profile picture, tap on the settings icon in the bottom right hand corner. Then tap on your name at the top of the screen. You'll see an option to edit your name and profile picture. Tap on Edit next to the profile picture. You'll have a few options here. You can delete your current picture, take a new photo, or choose a photo from your gallery. I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery by tapping on Choose Photo. Now I can select the photo from my gallery to use as my profile picture. I'll choose this one and tap Choose. Then you can move it about to fit perfectly so it shows how you want it. Then you can select Choose Again. And that's it. My new profile picture is now set on WhatsApp and you'll show up on my chat and on my status. Of course, you can change it whenever you want by following the same steps. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any comments, leave them in the comment section below and I'll get straight back to you. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.